My name is Steve Stack, Sales Director with Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods. Today we find ourselves out of our facility at 7060 Quarry Road, Canfield, and we are hosting our 8th annual Red, White, and True celebration of American craftsmanship. It's a great day. It's a customer appreciation day. By customer appreciation, we host upwards of a couple thousand people.
It's just a way to give back to the community. We appreciate all the people that come here and buy from us, and then we can turn around, we can serve them, a nice lunch. We give back to the food bank for people in need. It's just a nice day to bring the community out. We try and reach out to the kids. We have a clown here. We have they can build a bird feeder.
For some of these children, it's the first time they've ever had a hammer in their hand, and our guys are showing these kids how to use it, how to keep the thumbs and the fingers out of the way, and then they get to take that project home. Will they be the next woodworker, maybe the next fine furniture builder? Who knows? But we're introducing them to something that they maybe wouldn't see otherwise.
It's a good feeling to see that the interest is still there and people are still interested in coming out.
It's the Baird family's way of saying to the families that support us year round, it's our day, and the Baird's family to say thank you. Thank you for supporting us. And then for the adults, it's an educational day.
There's a couple contractors here showing you how to hang a door, showing you how to install some of your moldings. So maybe if you got a home renovation project going on or something like that, it'd be a good day to come out and learn how to install that stuff yourself if that's what you're looking to do.
It's very exciting because I really think that if you're just coming in the front doors and you're purchasing, whether you're purchasing just one board or you're purchasing a whole house, you may not know what all goes into that and really what Baird Brothers is all about and how it started and how material is manufactured and what that process is. So it really gives everyone an opportunity to see what we do here on a day-to-day basis, just not walking in the front door buying one piece of wood.
It is amazing that the entire company comes together. Without all the employees, we couldn't do this. It takes a team of 100 employees to pull this off.
About a week ago, we started prepping for this thing. There's a lot of cleaning up that goes on. There's a lot of setting up that goes on. I mean, we were here pretty late last night getting the tent set up, ready to go. But it's all worth it in the end, you know what I mean? We really appreciate this day, and we really appreciate what the customer and the community does for us. So we'll do anything to put this event on year in and year out.
You see people are interested in what we're doing, how we're doing it, and they're here to see everything. It's a good day.
It's just bigger and better every year. Wonderful people, wonderful staff, helping everybody, and it just is a happy event.